Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off dark mode on Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word on my computer, and as you can see, I have activated the dark mode. And here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn off this dark mode on Microsoft Word. First of all, you need to go to the setting. Tap on the files and you're going to click on more and select options. Okay, you have to choose the general setting or the general option, and then you're going to go to the personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. And then as you can see, for the Office theme, I choose black and I'm going to choose white, so it can turn off the dark mode on my Microsoft Word. And I'm going to click on OK. And as you can see guys, that now the dark mode has been turned off. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn off the dark mode on Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.